welcome to Vlogmas. What's up, guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. It is now just after 7:30 p.m. I literally have not vlogged all day because I have not done anything all day except lay in my bed. Now I am like in the midst of like cleaning my house and packing as well. I have not eaten any real food today. I've literally only eaten Takis, some cookies. I just had a spoonful of Nutella for no reason. I had something else. The beef jerky, and then I've just been drinking water. But that's all I've been like eating all day. Literally all day. No actual food, nothing like that, which is crazy because I cooked so that I could have food, but I didn't eat it, so here we are. But I don't, and now I'm about to go to Burger King because Burger King has this thing where it's like if you open the app while you're in McDonald's or in the McDonald's parking lot, while you're within 600 feet of McDonald's, you can get a burger for a penny at Burger King. So I'm gonna go do that because for one, I want to check to see if it actually works. And that's what I'm about to do. Why? Because I have nothing else to do other than clean, and I'm kind of bored with that right now. And I need to eat real food, but I don't want to eat the food that I cooked for whatever reason. So I'll just save that for tomorrow, I guess. Alright guys, so this gimmick completely worked. I went to the McDonald's parking lot and I clicked on the coupon thing in the Burger King app, and it picked up and I got the coupon and I got a whole Whopper for 1 cent. I didn't get anything special on it, and it's a whole Whopper. Like, this is like it's a regular sized Whopper. And look, it says that there's my name and order and everything, and I got my Whopper and all that good stuff, and it says right there 1 cent. I paid 1 cent for this. So now, and I'm also in the parking lot at the gym because the gym has free Wi-Fi. A chunk of lettuce just fell off my burger. So I'm gonna sit here and eat this, wait like an hour, and then go work out. The reason I'm here anyway, 1, I'm tired of being at home. 2, I'm gonna work out. 3, I need to use their Wi-Fi so I can play episodes. So yeah. Also, if you're wondering, I'm vlogging from my phone because my SD cards for my camera, I only have 2 of them, and they're both like corrupting my files and everything. So I'm vlogging from my phone, and then I'm gonna take my camera back to Texas with me, and we will go from there. But right now I'm vlogging from my phone, which is also another reason why I'm not vlogging as much, because I'm on my phone for other things, and I can't film and do other things on my phone at once. I wish I could, and I also wish I had like 2 phones so that I wouldn't have this problem. But here we are in the parking lot of Planet Fitness, filming on an iPhone, eating a Whopper that I paid 1 cent for. Since this is where we are and nothing's happening, and this is not a mukbang, I'm gonna go ahead and finish my Whopper, play episode, and I will update y'all in a little bit. What's up, guys? It is now 10:59 p.m. I went to the gym from 8:30 to 10:30. I did an hour of cardio and an hour of weight training. I just got home not too long ago. I just took Snow out, and now he just finished eating. There's a lot of justs happening right now, but come on. But all I have left to do for the night is finish cleaning and packing. Snow also needs a bath, but I don't know if I want to bathe him now or if I want to wait until tomorrow to bathe him, since we leave in the middle of the night tomorrow night. So like we would leave here at like 4:30 in the morning, Thursday morning. So we can get to that, so we can be at the airport for 6. Yeah. Whew, I'm gonna be sick. I actually need to take some Theraflu tonight. And then that way, because I mean, I can tell that I'm getting congested and everything. So I'm gonna take the Theraflu tonight. That way it can start working. And then when I get on a plane, like 26 hours from now, 26, 27, 28-ish hours from now, then I won't be as congested. So then in the change of atmosphere, stop it, you just ate. So in the change of atmosphere, I won't get even more congested, because that will make my ears hurt. So I need a mug. I have a very small mug collection because I had more and some of them broke, and I was so upset about that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and turn these around. No free advertising. I don't work there anymore. This cup I got from Target. It doesn't matter where these 2 cups came from. This cup I got from Dollar Tree. I'm missing another mug. It's a red one that also came from Dollar Tree. It looks like this one though. Which mug do I want? Or do I want to use a mason jar? I think I'm going to go with this one that has the handle. Yeah, this one has the handle. This one also came from Dollar Tree, and it has a a mini chalkboard on it, a chalkboard sticker, so I can write on it if I want. I've had this for like 3 years now, and I've never written on it. I think I'm going to go with this mug, and I'm just going to sit that there, and later on, I'm just going to turn this on so it can heat up, put the water in there, and pour this in there and have a good old time. I am, however, going to wait until after I take a shower to do that, because I'm about to take a shower now, in which I can't take you guys in there with me. Hi! 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 Hi, Snow! Snow! Alright guys, so I just took my shower. If you can see my bed in there, there's a lot of stuff on it because I'm in the middle of packing and folding clothes and everything. However, it is just after midnight. It is 12:06 a.m. So I am going to sleep. So I'm gonna go to sleep. I can't decide on if I want to just slide everything on my bed over and sleep on my bed, or if I should just sleep on the couch and leave my bed as it is, just because I'm really tired and I kind of don't want to do this anymore, and I'll just save it for tomorrow. Plus I have to get up at 6 o'clock anyway so that I can check in and get on the plane earlier. So I am gonna figure this out, but either way I'm going to bed right now, so I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Finally I remembered to end a vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.